One of my favorite fold series is from Huawei, and it's called the Huawei Mate Xs 2. This tablet has the size of a phone, and yet pwede mo open siya like a mini tablet. And itong phone na ito is simply perfect for watching videos, playing games, and of course, well, doing your documents while on the go. Tara, tingnan natin ang capability nitong Huawei Mate Xs 2. Samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, I'm Spacious from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So here on my table is the Huawei Mate Xs 2. Yung box is quite big and it's a black box. So we have here some emblem of Huawei, and of course sa gilid is a gold printing of the Huawei Mate Xs 2. So we have here is the 8 gigs of RAM and the 512 gigs of storage, and the color is black. And everything, you can download it on the app gallery. Sasabi ko sa inyo guys, yung box premium na premium. And pag open natin, you can see that the phone is packed like this. Okay? So, what we do is just simply pull it out and yun na. Ooh, ganda. This is the Mate Xs2 ni Huawei. So, it's different from the other Fold series na makita nyo sa market. Nakita natin ang kanyang camera module is definitely very stunning. Hindi siya naka-protrude, hindi siya nakaumbok. Ganda. So we'll talk about it a little bit more. Buksan muna natin ang box. Ang gusto ko dito kay Huawei Mate Xs2 is sobrang ginalingan ni Huawei ang packaging dito. No? Pinaganda niya, ginawa na talaga very premium ang feel dito. So inside this box, we have your 66 watts na supercharged charger ni Huawei and a USB Type-C cable. On the other box, meron siyang SIM ejector tool, a nice looking na case na medyo may pagka leatherette finish. Tingnan na natin kung ano yung itsura niya. And this is how the phone would look like pag nakakabit ang kanyang case. And it looks like parang mukha lang siyang regular smartphone. How nice. Then if you want to flip it open, all you need to do is just open this one up. Hindi mo kailangan tanggalin yung nasa kabila. And there you go. Ayos ah. Very innovative ang kanyang case. Definitely I like. So pag-usapan na natin right now ang kanyang design. So si Huawei Mate Xs2 has the size of a phone. Like I told you, it's just like another regular smartphone na hawak-hawak ninyo. And what's nice about this one is that pwede siya mag-fold, no? So definitely, it's different from the ones that you see in the market. So medyo naging innovative doon si Huawei. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aking Huawei Mate P50 Pro. Okay, so this is my phone. So, ipagtabi natin, oh, you can see na it looks simply like a regular smartphone. Hindi siya parang pencil case. So, definitely, it's something nice, like this one. So, quick phone tour lang tayo. Sa ilalim, makikita natin ang kanyang loudspeaker, SIM tray, and of course, ang kanyang USB Type-C port. Sa ilalim, makita natin ang kanyang loudspeaker, ang kanyang SIM tray, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang Type-C port. So, sundutin lang natin. And kita natin, it supports dalawang nano SIM. On the other side, makita natin, there's your fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, ang iyong volume rocker. Sa ibaba, makita natin, it's another loudspeaker and another microphone. Noise cancelling mic, by the way. And sa likod, kita natin ang kanyang triple camera setup na may LED flash. And what's nice dito is hindi nakatumbok ang kanyang mga camera modules, which definitely is very nice to hold, especially when you're gaming. And here is the opening button para maging mini tablet siya. And we have the Huawei logo over here. So, ang action niya, makita na guys, it's folding like this. Okay, so yan. And what's nice dito is pag tinignan natin, straight na straight siya. Okay? Hindi siya naka-smile, hindi naka-V, and it's very straight. Definitely it's okay. And tinitingnan natin ang kanyang crease dito is mas hindi halatado as compared do sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 na, or Z Fold, even Z Fold 3 na medyo malalim ang kanyang guhit dito sa gitna. Ito kay Huawei, hindi masyado halata. And what's nice is, hindi mo rin masakasalat to, guys. Ayan na. Halos wala. And ito yung finishing na sa likod pag naka-open ang iyong phone. So right now, guys, we're on the tablet mode dito sa phone na ito. And probably one thing na medyo hindi ko masyado natripan is andyan pa yung kanyang punch hole. So probably Huawei could have explored yung under-display camera. But of course, this is its design. I hope sa Mate Xs3, ma-improve na nila ito and matago na nila itong punch hole na ito para hindi na natin makita itong annoying na maliit na butas dito sa ating screen. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the Snapdragon 888. I know na hindi siya latest. Could have been 8 Plus Gen 1 or 8 Gen 1 at least. So, niran natin ang Antutu benchmark para makita natin yung score. So, it got a almost 600,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. So, breaking down the scores, this is what I got. Checking other benchmark dito sa wildlife. So, maganda ka ng score Swiping left and right, it's definitely good and very, very smooth siya. Pag naka-unfold ang Huawei Mate Xs2 natin dito, we have a 7.8-inch na foldable OLED display. And it can display up to 1 billion colors. It supports 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. And what's nice dito is kanya is sobrang thin ang kanyang bezel. And of course, it has a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. So one thing that I noticed dito sa gilid is medyo nakaumbok konti dito ang border niya. Sa ilalim wala, malinis. And dito sa kabila is quite clean. Wala namang tumbok dito. And sabi ni Huawei, this is made out of 3D fiberglass material. So maganda siya. Magandang finish niya. So smooth na smooth. I'm not quite sure kung anong klaseng fiberglass to. Have yet to know all of those new stuff para sa mga foldables. So definitely, it's not a Corning Gorilla Glass protected. Dahil Corning Gorilla Glass, pag tinupi mo, basag agad. So pag tinupi natin, we can see that we have a 6.5-inch na display. And of course, I can say na magandang kanyang finishing dito. Siguro kung dinisplay niya pati din dito sa likod while being folded, siguro kung meron siyang display all the way hanggang sa likod, it could have looked like the Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha, which was a prototype not commercially available. What's nice dito is it just looks and feels like a regular phone. So I don't have any problem with it. Sarap gumamit dito. Messaging dito sa harap is definitely the same. Parang just like another regular smartphone. Hindi cramp ang keyboard. Just the right size. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quick sample how to type dito. The quick brown box. Okay, so just like your regular keyboard, hindi siya makitid. So buksan natin, tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya pag nagta-type sa dito inside. So pagbukas natin, kita natin na bigger ang ating keyboard. So let's just type again. The quick brown box. So, mas sanay ako mag-type outside. So, sa inside, you need 2 hands para makapag-type na mabuti. But it's very relaxing. What I like about this one is sobrang spacious sa kanya. But definitely, you need both hands para makapag-type na maayos. Browsing on social media, I can see sobrang sarap manood dito. Definitely, it's very nice. And para kang may hawak lang na tablet. And if you flip it over like this is the view if you flip it over naman. Pagdating naman sa TikTok, this is how it looks like. So, hindi mo siya pwede flip over sa kabilang side. Ganon, hindi siya gagana. Okay, nakalock lang siya sa isang orientation. So, watching videos on YouTube, Netflix, I can say, okay, ang ganda ng kanyang resolution dito. And probably the only downside dito is you cannot install the YouTube app. But of course, you can always watch it on your favorite na browser dito sa phone na ito. So I can say na the colors are rich and I love the color production dito on this tablet. 1 billion colors ang kanya reproduce and the 120 Hz of screen refresh rate kicking in is definitely very nice. I love it dahil it gives you a very nice experience, especially when on the go. Gusto mo manood ng video, all I need to do is just whip this phone out of my pocket, unfold it, and there you go. You have a mini tablet inside your pocket. And ang sounds nito from the loudspeaker is being tuned by Huawei, so definitely the sounds is nice. Lalo kung sinagad ko ang volume, I can say na hindi siya sabog. But if you like a more personalized and more immersive experience, I can suggest that you can try this one, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. Definitely it's good dahil meron siyang active noise cancelling and transparency mode. And if you want to check my full review on this one, I'll link it up here. And of course, you can also buy it from my link on the description below. Now, one of my favorite things to do dito sa tablet na ito is to play games. Now, playing some of the games like Call of Duty and Asphalt 9, I can say definitely it's very nice experience dito dahil ang laki ng screen. And napansin ko, I've been playing a little bit more using this Mate Xs2 dahil malaki ka ng screen. Especially when playing, shooting games and racing games. Ang ganda ng kayong viewing angle. And of course, what I like dito sa kanya is yung kanyang touch sa screen is hindi siya naiiwan, hindi nalalag. So definitely it's great. And the sounds on the side, especially when you're playing those shooting games like Call of Duty Mobile, okay siya. But sometimes, from time to time, may mafe-feel ka kunting lags. Of course, I wouldn't say na it's 100% perfect, but definitely, it's a game-changing experience. So, itong phone na ito, meron siya 4,600 mAh of battery, and it can fast charge up to 66 watts using the Huawei supercharged na charging brick na kasama dito sa loob. So, tinry ko ang kanyang fast charging. So, dinrain ko ang battery down to 10%. Chinarge ko pabalik ng 100. So, it just finished it around 40 minutes. So, it's quite fast for me. And probably, Huawei could have squeezed in a little bit more battery dito sa phone na ito, making 5,000 para medyo mas tumagal naman kahit paano konti. Battery life isn't the best dito sa tablet na ito dahil it only gives me 7 hours of screen on time. Now, ang setting ko dito is using 60 Hz of screen refresh rate and 50% na brightness sa screen. On a day-to-day basis, honestly, I would say na if you're using the unfolded na screen, it would really last you for maybe less than a day. Maybe if you start from 8 in the morning, you might be charging at around 2 in the afternoon. But if you're using it on yung front screen lang, mas tatagal. And by the way guys, itong test na to ginawa ko while the phone is unfolded. Pag-usapan natin right now kanyang camera. So we have here a 50MP na main shooter, 8MP na telephoto lens na may OIS support up to 3 times optical zoom, and of course ang 13MP na ultra-wide na camera niya. And the highest resolution that you can shoot on its video sa record, it's a 4K 60fps. Then sa harap, meron siya 10.7MP na aperture 2.2 na front-facing camera, and it can shoot up to 4K and 30fps. Now, did you know guys na pwede kang kumuha ng selfie nito using the rear camera? All you need to do is just turn on the mirror mode dito sa gilid, and you'll be shooting your selfie using the rear camera. Really nice, ha? I believe that this one is definitely very nostalgic, and I can say na, wow, this is truly a game changer dito kay Huawei Mate Xs2. The only problem na nakita ko dito sa likod is walang shutter button dito sa likod. So you have to place your finger dito ready to take photos and shoot. Yun lang ang downside. Now, taking some shots dito sa Huawei Mate Xs2, I can see that definitely one very nice experience using this camera dahil ang ganda ng kanyang resolution. Probably not as at par with the P50 Pro na gamit-gamit ko, but I can see that the photos that I've taken are definitely nice. And mga photos na nakuha ko dito are quite sharp, be it indoor and outdoor. I can say that it's a very nice performing camera. Now, taking some selfie shots using the punch hole dito sa harap, I can say na okay lang ang kanyang mga shots. Not probably the best dahil if you are comparing it to the P50 Pro, this one medyo mas hindi ganun siya kaganda. But if you're checking it on a average camera na basis, I can say the camera is not bad after all. Now, taking videos using the front and rear camera, I can say, okay, magandang kanyang resolution, punchy ang kanyang colors, and definitely sharp ang mga videos na nakuha ko dito sa kanya. And what's nice is, hindi siya shaky. So what can I say about my Huawei Mate Xs2 experience? It's definitely a game changer dahil one is, ang ganda ng kanyang form factor and it looks like a smartphone. And two, ang pinakagusto ko rin dito sa kanya, pag in-unfold mo siya, hindi mo makita ang crease na dito sa gitna. Halos wala. It's definitely a good one. Except that siguro if mga ibang tao ay sanay sa may screen sa labas at may screen sa loob, but this one is definitely not. But this one is quite thin compared sa ibang competitors at this making foldable phones, and definitely the holding factor dito is nice and mas magaan siya compared sa ibang foldables. Those are probably my takeaway for its winning factor dito sa phone na ito. So guys, if you're planning to buy the Huawei Mate Xs2, I'll be dropping on the link below, and this phone is being priced at 99,999. So, piso na lang, 100,000 na siya. And of course, definitely it's a game-changing experience for me. You might love it if you're the type of person who likes a smartphone, regular smartphone na feel, and yet if you want to be creative and doing some multitasking, you can always unfold it and use it as a mini tablet. Ito ang Huawei Mate Xs2 for you. So ako pala si Richmond. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi na ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?